If you do manual dropshipping, it sets you apart and you are becoming authentic, because you have to be authentic with what you do, with the authentic listings, authentic titles, authentic pictures. You can make a great bunch of money if you will follow simple manual dropshipping steps. And let me give you 7 things in this video that will gonna make you authentic. So the number 1 main ingredient in your eBay starter kit is product search. Okay, what I mean by product search? You see, there are 3 stages on eBay for everybody who is on an eBay. Experimental stage, where you focus on a product, something like this, probably cheap one, not expensive. Then it's a fastest growing stage, which would be stage number 2, when you list something, product, something like this, probably to grow your account and boost your account because you started out properly and now you got the thing and you just go up there. And then there is this signature stage where you post, when you list your product, something like those, most of them, and make a little bit bigger money out of this. So those 3 stages, you have to be aware of what stage you are in right now. What is your feedback score? What is your position on eBay? How do you position yourself on eBay? And out of that position, you have to look at the products properly for your position. This is the number 1 very important ingredient and skill set you have to have in your starter kit. And number 2 main ingredient in your starter kit is how to make title. And if you noticed, I said how to make title, not copy paste title. Let me show you good example and let me show you bad example, because if you want to be authentic and if you want to sell manually and make money, you have to know how to make titles. So let me show you just a very simple example why titles are so important and so crucial for you if you want to sell and make money. So for let's say this product here, it's 2 different sellers. One price is $11.38 and it's sold. Another price is $17.99, and if you click on this one, you can see it's also selling, right? 18 sold here. So what's the difference here? The difference is this seller used totally different title and sell for higher price than this seller. Where this seller get the title is very quick. We're just checking out. Okay, copy the title exactly as it is, go to Amazon. On Amazon, you just paste in the title and you see it's the same title here. So what it means is this seller here, he doesn't change anything and he's selling, let's say, just for break even, because when you sell from $11.38, it's not so much left there, right? So, but another seller on eBay is selling almost double price. Okay, 18 bucks, and here is 9 bucks. And just because he's making titles, not copy paste, but he's making titles, making keywords, he's selling much better. As you have seen, titles are making crazy big difference. You can sell the same product for a little bit or break-even price, or you can sell the same product for a double price, regardless on the product's price. You can sell those products if you make a correct, proper title, or you can sell those products on the same starters level if you make title or you just copy and paste title. So the same important is the number 3 ingredient in your starter kit, which is, again, keywords. I'm spending quite a bit time teaching my students about the keywords, because keywords are so crucial. You have to know how to make keywords, first of all, how to connect them into the title, how to put them into the description, into item specifics, and how to use the power of the keywords, because the keywords are basically, you will gonna be found on eBay or you will be somewhere on the backstage there. About the keywords you can find out in this video up there, or you can just click the link below this video. There is a $7.99 course, which is amazing crash course. You can just use that one and sell your products as boom. Oh, that was a big boom, yeah. So number 4 ingredient you must have in your starter kit if you want to sell authentic and quick. You have to do authentic descriptions. Descriptions, do not just copy and paste. You will gonna be flagged. Whatever your supplier is, if you are not using Amazon, I'm teaching Amazon because Amazon is the most secure place if you know how to do this, okay? So, but if you do whatever you do, your supplier, take copy from your supplier and paste on a document or on your notepad somewhere, okay? So then you adjust a little bit. What we do in a $7.99, we just put there and just put all the powerful keywords into the description, okay, in a certain way. And then you copy that one and then you paste on your eBay. You make kind of like transformation there, right? Do not copy and paste straight away on your eBay. That's the number one thing why dropshippers get suspended. Don't do this mistake. So number five is item specific. This ingredient is just ignored by so many dropshippers and so many sellers on eBay. If you go around the eBay and you search for the item specifics, you can see all sorts of different things people are doing there. Starting from do not apply, stuff like this, or some random fake numbers in there, which is a big, huge mistake. eBay doesn't like that. What eBay likes is if you put there some powerful words which makes sense for their buyers. So what we use and what we teach in $7.99 is how to leverage item specifics and make drastic change in your game by putting there some keywords, not only some random keywords, but with the strategy in the mind. What keywords we put in item specifics, what in a description, what in a title, to be ranked on eBay's first page and be visible for the buyers when they want to buy your potato head. So do not ignore the power of item specifics. This is very, very powerful tool. All right, so number 6 is pictures. Because pictures are really powerful. Because when buyer landing on the eBay, what they see first is not the price. The first what grabs their attention is picture. If you keep doing the same pictures as everybody else is doing, how do you think you will gonna be separating yourself or outstanding out of the crowd? You are gonna be the same, you are gonna fight for the price and for the pennies, so you are not any different than guy next to you who is screaming and loud that eBay dropshipping is not working just because he is doing copy paste and eBay doesn't like copy paste and he has been handicapped by not working at all. So you can be very, very different and powerful with the pictures if you make them authentic. Now I have another video for you, it's up there. So check that video out, how we make pictures. It's just a simple example how you can be authentic with your pictures. Nobody else will gonna have your pictures unless somebody is stealing, but that's not the problem at all because we have a very special if you're gonna steal my pictures, we can make you out of the eBay very, very easy way, just with the 2 clicks and your stealers are out on the eBay. Again, this is information, everything is in the $7.99. Make your pictures outstanding. Ooh, like this or like this. Before I'm giving you the number 7, I want to give you 3 extra bonus things, okay? So those things are crucial because basically what you need to be successful on eBay is product, good standing account, and strategy. 3 things basically, that's it, so simple like that. Product, good standing account, and the strategy how to sell. Now, the point number 7 is pricing. Because pricing is something which will gonna make a difference. As you have seen earlier in this video, I show you example how somebody is making just break-even price, right? And somebody is simply selling for almost double price. Pricing is not about cutting the price. Pricing is that you price your products properly according, again the same, to your position Are you on experimental stage, or you are on the fastest growing stage, which I sometimes used to call it primordial stage, or you are on a signature stage? It depends how you price your items. And this is, of course, are you making money or not? It's not about the eBay dropshipping. eBay dropshipping is working perfectly. It's all about the things how you do on eBay, on the way you do the things there, not on the things itself, but in the way you do the things there. Because as you've seen already, you can take the same stuff and just struggling to sell, or you can take the same stuff and selling like this. Yeah, like this. Like sold, sold, sold. And for those who would like to have everything in one package, that was weird. And not to waste time on things how to do titles, how to do keywords, how to do pictures, how to do product search. For those who would like everything fast and quick, for you I prepared the starters kit, $7.99. Click below this video, there is a link, and get into our team. We were gonna show you how to do this in one package. You don't need to waste time searching around. See you inside. Alright, so next video is coming out in a few days, and it will gonna be about the topic why internationals are getting suspended. 3 reasons. I will gonna give you 3 reasons, very simple reasons. Why internationals, some Americans as well, but why internationals like me, like Canadians, or wherever you are in the world, are getting suspended by 3 major mistakes they are doing right now. I believe you want to see that video, because if you are gonna miss it, ooh, that's not good. All right, so all what you have to do is click this guy here. If you click on this guy there, you are gonna be notified, and you are gonna get the video as soon as it's out over there. All right, take care guys, bye bye.